I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a easy shrimp taco recipe with Asian slaw. This one is so good. It's one of my favorites and it's ready in 30 minutes. So delicious. Let's get started by making our slaw. Into our bowl, we're gonna add in 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sriracha, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, half teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of honey, and we're gonna add the juice from half a lime. And I'm not adding any additional salt because we already have the salt from the soy sauce, so we really don't need it to be any more salty. We're gonna give this a whisk. And you really want to whisk it good to get all those mayonnaise chunks out of there. We're just going to toss in about half a bag of coleslaw mix. You can definitely make your own, but for the sake of time to make this a 30-minute recipe, we are going to use the bag stuff. Just toss this in. And this has a little bit of heat to it, so if you don't like spicy at all, you might want to reduce the sriracha sauce by half or so. Our shrimp isn't going to be too spicy, it's just going to be nice and tangy, so this is really the only spice we have going on. We're going to go ahead and stick this in the fridge when we make our shrimp. If I can find a spot for it. The fridge is stocked full right now. Shoo, okay, got it. So right now I've got a pound of shrimp. I've just got some medium shrimp. These are pink Argentina, they're so good. I usually buy mine peeled and deveined because I'm lazy and I don't want to do that. So now all I have to do is just simply pull off the ends. Super simple, really easy. And then I'm going to wash these, dry them, and we're going to add our seasonings. Okay, so into our shrimp we're going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil, a half teaspoon of cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, and a half teaspoon of sweet paprika. We're gonna do a little bit of pepper and just a pinch of salt. Give this a toss. We're gonna get our pan started on medium-high heat and add just a tiny bit of olive oil. About a tablespoon. These are pretty decent sized medium shrimp. So we're going to cook them for about 2 or 3 minutes on each side. When my shrimp's cooking, I'm just going to take some corn tortillas and wrap them up in some tin foil and stick them in the oven. You can also just pop these in the microwave to heat them up. Okay, so we're gonna pull our slaw out. Okay, so we're gonna assemble our tacos with a couple of shrimp. Scoop some slaw on there. Yum. And then I like to just add a couple jalapenos and some really thinly sliced radish. And then just a little bit of cilantro. Yum, look how good that looks. So hot. So my jalapenos are super spicy, like burn my mouth off spicy. I'm taking them off. These are so easy and delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know if you make it in the comments. Be sure to subscribe so we can keep cooking together, and I will see you next time.